Hi children, this is your Kalpana teacher. In this video, we will learn about Lewis dot structures. What is Lewis dot structure? We will discuss now. You know noble gases, right? You know noble gases which belongs to zero group or 8th A group are typical gases with almost negligible chemical activity when compared to other elements, right? They do not participate any chemical changes. They are more stable and they do not form molecules by allowing their atoms to combining among themselves or with the atom of other elements. So what could be the reason for this? Why the noble gases do not participate in the chemical changes? What is the reason behind this? If we observe this table, children, you observe this table in 8th A group elements except helium, neon, argon, krypton, these all elements in the outermost shell, they have 8 electrons in the outermost shell except helium. So for this reason it do not participate under in the chemical changes. So if we want to write Lewis dot structure means the valence electron in the element of an element is depicted in a short form by Lewis symbol or electron dot structure. We represent the nucleus and inner shell of electrons of the atom by the symbol of the element and electron in the outer shell by dots or cross marks. We can write the element and we can write the outermost electrons with the dots or cross marks. This is called Lewis dot structure. Once again, remember children, we can write the element symbol and valence electrons we can write with dots or cross marks. This is known as Lewis dot structure. This is also called the electron dot structure also. Let us we observe some examples of Lewis dot structure. First we can take the argon element. Argon, you know the argon electronic configuration, you know in the last shell it has 3s2 3p6, 8 electrons in the third shell, right? So first we write the symbol of first step, we write the symbol of element argon. We can write the symbol of argon element. Then we place the valence electrons around the symbol. Put 2 dots at a time on each of the 4 sides of the symbol of the element till all are used up. So we get argon Lewis dot structure. First we write the symbol of element of argon and then we place the valence electrons around the symbol. This is known as Lewis dot structure. Any element if we write the Lewis dot structure means we can write the symbol of the element and we can write the valence electrons around the symbol of the element. So this is known as Lewis dot structure. Similarly, we can observe some more examples also. We want to write the Lewis dot structure for sodium. What is the symbol for sodium? Na. So we write the symbol of sodium Na and what is the electronic configuration of sodium? In the last shell 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, 11 kada. So we get the in outermost shell we get 1 electron, valence electron is 1. So we write the sodium Lewis dot structure. So Na we can write and the last electron as cross mark or dot we can write. We get the Lewis dot structure of the atom. So similarly we get the other elements also like this. We get the Lewis dot structure. In the here one activity is given. I can show some elements Lewis dot structure and I'll give the outermost shell electrons also here in this table. You can fill the outermost shell electrons around the atom and you can practice the Lewis dot structure. You complete the activity 1. Now we discuss about octet rule. 8 electrons in the outermost shell definitely gives a stability to the atom. Based on these observations, we say this octet rule is framed. So, the atoms or elements tend to undergo chemical changes that help to leave their atoms with 8 outer shell electrons. Chemically active elements do not have an octet of electrons in the valence shell or their atoms. Their reactivity arises from their tendency to achieve the octet by forming bonds either with atoms of their own type or with atoms of the other elements. So every element tries to get 8 electrons in the outer shell. This is known as octet rule. Every element tries to get in the outermost shell 8 electrons. This is known as octet rule.